What's up, guys? Today we have a short video. We're going to restore my headlights using the Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit from 3M. So yeah, let me show you how the headlights are now. See, the headlights are cloudy. Have that yellow tint. So the first step you want to do is clean the lens off with some soap and water. Put it in a spray bottle. Use a clean rag and wipe off any dirt, residue on there. Next, you're going to use your masking tape that's already supplied, 3M masking tape, to protect the trim and the paint surface. It is recommended to use 2 layers for added protection. I used 1 due to time and the fact that I thought I was going to run out due to the headlights being so big. Now, with the power disconnected, mount the disc pad holder onto your cordless drill. Then you're going to attach the P500 gold disc to the disc pad holder. Then you're going to want to hold the drill flat at a very slight angle when sanding on the lens. This will help control the tool and allow for smooth and even sanding. Do not use excessive pressure down on the drill or headlight lens. And do not hold the drill in one place while sanding. This can cause the lens surface to heat up and smear, becoming difficult to remove. Use medium to light pressure, begin sanding to remove the yellowing and surface defects from the lens. Wipe off the lens and inspect to ensure all the yellowing and defects have been completely removed. If yellowing, defects, or portions of the surface coating still exist, continue sanding with the gold disc until they are completely removed. Alright, so because I had so much adhesion left over because of the tint, I had to use some Goo Gone. Goo Gone is pretty safe for the paint, just for reassurance, put some rags around. Then I used the sanding disc to sand again. And this is how it came out. Then you want to attach your P800 sanding disc. This is the white disc with the purple printing. Same rules with the P500. Use medium to light pressure. Begin sanding to reduce scratches from the P500 to a P800 grit scratch. Once finished, wipe the lens and notice the scratches are finer. If any coarse scratches are visible, continue sanding that area with the P800 until the coarse scratches are reduced. Then you're going to start using your P3000. That's the green and gray foam disc. Using a spray bottle, apply enough water to dampen the green-gray disc and the lens surface before sanding. The disc can be used flat against the lens using medium to light pressure. Add a mist of water to the surface if it becomes dry while sanding. Continue sanding the lens 4 to 6 times. After you start seeing the white residue on the lens surface, if the lens does not produce a white slurry, make 10 to 12 passes. Then you want to remove the masking tape and clean the headlight and surrounding areas with water and a detailed cloth. Be sure you have removed all dirt and contaminants so the headlight is smooth, clean, and dry. So now for the final step. You have 2 wipes. The first wipe is for the first coat on both headlights, and wipe number 2 is for the final coat on both headlights. Slowly apply wipe number 1. Use the crisp edge of the wipe. Don't apply pressure. If you see bubbles, slow down. Slightly overlap your passes, like 25 to 50%, and work from top down. And don't touch up during the first coat. If any coating gets on your adjacent paint or trim, immediately and carefully wipe away with a clean, damp cloth. Apply coating to both headlights before discarding first wipe. Allow wet coating to dry for 5 to 15 minutes before applying second coat. Extreme humidity or heavier applications may require longer drying time. Open the second white packet and repeat the process on both headlights. Be careful to touch up any spots you may have missed or any streaks left in the first coat. This is the final coat. Allow for 1 hour before exposing to rain or any other precipitation. And here's the final product. Like I said, this is temporary. Due to the tint, I knew it wasn't going to come out so great, but overall, did a pretty good job. Pretty good job. Still got some work to do. I might even tint the headlights again, but that'll be another video. Thank you guys for watching. This is Dr. Haze out.